Hello and welcome to East Van Drone. We are at Coquitlam River, Upper Coquitlam River Park on Pipeline Road in Coquitlam. And basically, if you keep going up Pipeline Road, you go past it. And you can only go so far because then you're in the watershed area for the Coquitlam River. But we've been flying the drone around this place. I think it used to be some kind of industrial thing. I've not been here for a few years, but what has changed is not so much the housing like in other parts of Coquitlam, but the concrete plant, which we just flew over, is huge. And that wasn't even, I don't think it was even here before. It certainly wasn't here at that level. Anyway, lots of traffic going by, very noisy. There's a film set up there somewhere, lots of gravel pits. And lots of activity going on. But it's a beautiful day here in the middle of March. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and so we can bring you more of Greater Vancouver area wherever we are with the drone. Adios, auf Wiedersehen, sayonara, and I'll see you later.